All right, so I have these cups of color here, and I have layered them all a little bit different. And I am using gold, I am using magenta, I'm using yellow, Prussian blue, and a little bit of turquoise green. Hello, sticking with the spring color set, but I think I'm going to maybe not swipe through this one. I'm not going to do a green base. I think I'm going to wreck through these. I think I'm going to do 4 little ring pours and then wreck through them. So I wanted to layer this last cup together. So I will set these here, set these behind. Let's see here. Okay, so I've got gold, pink. So I feel like I want to do yellow in the bottom of this one. I was debating the turquoise green, but yeah, I think I want to do, yeah, let's do it. So how is everyone doing? I am recovering still from Mardi Gras and now getting ready for Under the Oaks. Was that all my cups? Yeah. Perfect. Used up that one. Oh no. Okay. Let me see. I threw that away. I didn't want to throw that away. I wanted to save it. But I was talking to you and thinking, and I can't do much more than that at one time. Oh, I'm procrastinating now because I'm cleaning and I don't have to. Okay, so yellow, blue. Okay, set that over to the side. And I think I want to do one big one in these colors. I really liked it. All right, so what is everybody working on in their studio right now? I love to hear about that. So let me know in the comments, what are you working on? All right, let's do this. So everybody always asks what they look like. So this is how I layered the cups. You can see them all. Which one do I want to start with? I think I'm going to start up here. Just tiny little circles. Oh, y'all, look at these colors. They blend together so well. And these are, oops, I just slid that around. These are actual ring pours, but I am going to wreck it. So I think I'll just touch the cup right there. Yeah. Ooh, look at the inside of that. All right. Next one. I think I'll go ahead and do it up here. Ooh, all that gold. All that gold. Oh my goodness. That magenta next to that Prussian blue is such a pretty color combination. Wowzer. I don't know. I feel like, should I just stretch this one out or should I wreck through it? Now I'm like having a little bit of an I don't know moment. Okay, let me see. I'm going to do this one back here. Oh, I got a lot of magenta out of that one. And then I want to do one. Okay, I might do one more in this color set. I want to do one that is just a ribbon pour everywhere. Okay, what was my base? Okay, it was Prussian blue. I was like, what was my base on this one? My goodness, my nose is running. Somebody better catch it. Ah! Oh boy, that was very corny. I apologize to everyone. Oh my goodness. No, I don't. I don't apologize. I am just having fun. I do realize that I say I'm sorry quite often to people, and I really shouldn't apologize for just being myself. I'll apologize if I say something mean, which I try not to, but you know, that happens. All right. This is very different. I've got these tiny little cells popping up in each one. Gosh, do I wreck it? Y'all, do I wreck this? Ooh, look. Look, it's meeting in the center. Bing. Now I feel like I have to wreck it since I did that. Okay. Maybe I just don't wreck it that much. Like maybe I keep the centers as I go through that center. I kind of want to go through that one a little bit. I really like the reaction that this gold had. I wrecked a little bit through each center, so I do feel like maybe I'll just... Okay, that wasn't that much. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should have left this. Well, the good thing is that I can always do another one. It doesn't always do as well on YouTube. People don't click on the thumbnail if it looks similar. But I'll be able to do it in my studio, and those that watch all the time will be able to see it. So, all right. And then people started asking me as well, quite often, again, like, where did you go? Are you still doing videos? And it's because YouTube's not sending out my notifications. So I post videos Wednesdays and Sundays, and it's normally around 11 to 12 in the afternoon, so Eastern Standard Time. So come back and check my channel on those days if you feel like you haven't seen me in a while. All right, here we go. I'm going to go, this is going to get kind of wonky, and I'm okay with it. I'm going to stretch it out as much as I can first. And I feel like I like the top two ring pour color sets better than, okay, I definitely want to keep that one. I'm going to have to look back at the video and see how I actually, ooh, this is really cool. This is pretty cool. I do feel like I wish I might do another one and not wreck through it. Let's stretch this one out first, though. Let's see. I'm going to twist this on around. Actually, the weight of the paint is over there already, and I don't like that one as much. And then I might take this whole thing and make it off center a little bit. Y'all, this is funky. Okay. I actually really like how the center came out in this one. That surprised me. My least favorite color combination is the yellow Payne's gray next to each other because it created just a green that's not in the value, like in the shades of the rest of the painting. But that's my only critique, really, on this one. I love the fact that it, okay, I want to make sure I don't have any. I love the fact that it created this like crossing motion with it. Yeah, this is super cool. All right, I'm going to do my sides and then give it a torch, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Super interesting. I love the kind of X that was created from joining them all together. But look at that. Look at this river of like, oh, that color combination right there is so pretty. That's the one I don't care for as much. It's still beautiful, but these colors are exact same, but layered differently. And it's just so interesting to see how they come out. I love that peach color from the little bit of yellow, magenta, and gold. Lots of interest in this one. All right, we'll see how this one dries. I will say this one surprised me. I was worried about wrecking it. I was worried about how the colors were going to come out. I still think that that's my least favorite center for the ring pours. This one is one of my favorites. I think it is so pretty. And I love the magenta with the gold, how it mixed together in there. Oh, so pretty. Now, I think I may do one more because sometimes things that are in sets of 4 may not be as visually appealing. And I feel like if I had had one right in there, or if one had gone off the side, like maybe if I had tipped the green off and had 3. So I might do one more in this color set with maybe either an odd number, like a 3 or a 5. But I will say with 4, I love the X that it created, the motion through the canvas. But that was super fun to do, and I hope you enjoyed it. All right. I will see you in the next video. Happy painting. Bye.